The leaders of the world's 20 largest economies wrapped up a two-day virtual summit over the weekend. Their President Moon Jae-in reaffirmed South Korea's pledge to go carbon neutral by 2050. In their joint closing communique, the leaders committed to reducing emissions, to ensuring a fair and equitable distribution of COVID vaccines, and to finding ways to open up essential cross-border travel. Our senior Blue House correspondent commuique reports.
At the G20 Leaders Summit, President Moon Jae-in reaffirmed South Korea's commitment to achieving carbon neutrality by 2050. According to the Blue House, Moon said Seoul will keep pace with the international community in working toward that goal.
President Moon said that South Korea will draw up a long-term strategy for carbon neutrality and renew its 2030 nationally determined contribution and submit it to the UN by the year's end. To achieve this, the president noted the need to shift our energy policy and put more emphasis on the green economy, introducing the government's Green New Deal initiative.
In the leader statement adopted following the two-day virtual summit hosted by Saudi Arabia, the G20 endorsed a circular carbon economy platform aimed at reducing emissions through 4 Rs: reduce, reuse, recycle, and remove. Also in their joint communique, the leaders pledged to spare no efforts to ensure affordable and equitable access to COVID-19 drugs and vaccines for all, stressing that extensive immunization is a global public good. The G20 members said they stand united in their conviction that coordinated global action, solidarity, and multilateral cooperation are more necessary than ever.
We have upheld our commitment to continue to work together to rise the challenge of the COVID-19 pandemic in order to safeguard lives and livelihoods and protect the most vulnerable groups.
The leaders also agreed that supporting a multilateral trading system is important to realizing the goal of a free, fair, inclusive, and stable environment for trade and investment. To that end, the G20 members said they are committed to ensuring that global transportation routes and supply chains remain open and that they will continue to explore concrete ways to facilitate the movement of people in a way that does not impede efforts to protect public health. This was first proposed by President Moon during the G20 Extraordinary Summit in March. South Korea's top office said that the G20 meeting was an opportunity for the country to expand its leadership role as a responsible middle power with experience in tackling COVID-19. 김민지, 아리랑 뉴스.